What does it mean to be truly educated in the information age? When we start our path to deeper knowledge, we can quickly realize that the depths of the quest has nothing to do with the institutions that may claim to be necessary. What matters more than anything is the externalization of the inner self fire that ignites our experience. We have to remember that our actions can and will maintain their motion, even if the institutions are subtracted away. In other words, the institution is simply a background that can be useful at times, but can also obfuscate rather than cultivate true connection to our inner drive. This obfuscation comes because the focus of institutions is usually focused on some external content unrelated to our own inner drive. We learn about physics, chemistry, biology, history, psychology, and sociology as an abstract universal independent of us as existing, living, breathing beings. What is an existing, living, breathing being? Why do I feel this fire inside of me? And what do I do with it? The start to truer forms of education would start with an understanding of the inner drive, the emotions and experience that mediate this inner drive in order to produce something new, something different, something the world has never seen before. We need to understand the conscious mediation of self-initiatives. Usually self-initiatives are difficult because they start from an inner state that is grounded in anxiety and fear. Will I have enough resources and money? What will others think? What about the possibility of total failure? The subject capable of creating the new thing is a subject that has worked through an underlying emotional drama of self-questioning that only it can confront in its alone space because it reflects its own unique history. Of course, typically, when this inner battle has been won, there is nothing actually in the way. It was just our own self-reflection as an image of negativity, which needed to be negated in order to discover our natural potential, to be more free, more fearless, and more at peace with our becoming. Institutional environments do not, and maybe cannot, directly help us to confront this level of self-becoming. Consequently, before you give your energy to an institution that claims to educate you, make sure you are truly educated, which means that you understand your inner relationship with fear and anxiety, and how it can be used to cultivate freedom, fearlessness, and peace with the tensions that will come from producing something new. In the end, for an existing, living, breathing being, it doesn't matter if you know all the physics, chemistry, biology, history, psychology, or sociology in the world. If you are not free, fearless, and at peace with the inherent tensions that come with creating something new, then it means nothing at all. The more this is cultivated and understood, the more we can consider ourselves truly educated in a way that truly matters, in an emotional, embodied sense. When we have achieved this, we can approach other aspects of ourself that are still paralyzed in self-doubt and potentially become more aware of our true potential to cultivate the new. And that is what it means to be truly educated in the information age. I would like to also thank all of my Patreon subscribers who make these videos possible. In order to help support, please click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.